From the headlights to the tailpipes, this is Rub-a-Dub-Tub, but no, it feels like greased lightning. What? Did you see that happen? Because I think a family affair just happened here. Holy cow. Hey, it's a daddy-daughter dance, except we got ourselves a couple of... Ooh, I got some trivia. Wait, I just stopped. Here's my first trivia. First off, what just happened here? All right? Did a father-daughter get out of two cars together? Who's going to tell me the story? All right, come on. I love it. They're so on the same page, right? This is symbiosis. All right, let's start it for first off. Tell me, when was the first time that your dad stuck a wrench in your hand? Or did you say, what is this?
I definitely said, what is this, when I was about 8 years old. I was at his best friend's backyard and we were building a
55
Chevy, yeah.
They're building a 55 Chevy together. All right, guys, come on in for a second. Give me an idea here, okay? So, who gets to drive what?
I get to drive both.
I get to drive both. All right, I love it.
I only get to drive that on Saturday.
I love it, love it, love it. Okay, wait a second. It's so cold out here. My mind is just not sharp. But I'm just excited as usual, okay? So first off, you guys, what are we looking at? Blue car, white car?
So the blue car is a Super B SRT and the white car is the RT.
Oh, what's a super what?
A Super B. So in this generation of Chargers, they only made 1,000 of these in the color. So this is number 843 out of 1,000, which is less than because of all the Super Bs that have wrecked from then till now.
Let me tell you something. I'm just speechless when a pretty gal just rips through the specs for you. You know what I mean? I mean, that is just killer. Okay, so, what other questions should I know? Like if I see a Charger come out, because I look at these and I see police car, all right? Mm-hmm. So what's the story there when they use those for service, you know?
The story is that they only use the RTs.
Okay.
For the police. You can't outrun the radio no matter how fast the car goes. Radio waves go faster than any car will ever go. This car has been 162 on the road, but it's done 177 in fourth gear with her on a dyno. She dynoed it. She did 177 in fourth gear.
I kind of like, if you guys were just to rewind a little bit, and I'd like you to pay attention to what he said. What did he say? You cannot outrun the radio. This is your service announcement from Headlights to Tailpipes, that you cannot outrun the radio. All right, no matter how fast you want to go. All right, so you guys are getting some awesome tidbits. We're going to show you guys some B-roll of these two cool rides and whatnot. The next time that your daughter says, "What's that?" don't shoo her away. Stick that wrench in her hand and say, "Come on over here." Change that tire. Change that battery.
It's not difficult.
Change the alternator.
Yeah, I change the alternator, I change all tires, rims, so on and so forth.
This is Josh from your headlights to your tailpipes. Thanks for tuning in. It's a daddy-daughter dance, and I got Chargers in the house. You know what?
I'm out of here.
So let me give you a little insight on this car that I have named Ace. All right. So this is an aftermarket hood. It is functional. The scoop redirects the air, and the airflow goes straight to our air intake. Our air intake is a K&N air intake.
Yeah, hold the hood for this kid.
My shocks are bad, I know. I have a strut bar in this car. It is custom made. It says the name of my car in the middle, which is, I've named my car Ace. It's got a Diablo Sport tune on it, and performance-wise, that's about it. It's got electrical cutouts on it. It's by Jegs. And
what's this thing?
that's the strut bar. The custom one made. And it helps a lot, and I noticed the corners, it's so much better. in the corners.
Back my mic. You know way too much about this car. You know what I dig about this? Is the next time your daughter walks in, she picks up a wrench, don't shoo her away. You know what? Daddy-daughter dances? Forget about it. This is the new daddy-daughter dance. This is a Charger, and this thing is a monster. And this kid, she'll run circles around you. The headlights of the tailpipes, the stories are coming at you. Right here from Vegas. Thanks for tuning in to Headlights of Tailpipes. Subscribe to our channel so you can get more Turquoise Tuesday cars. You're watching Headlights of Tailpipes. I'm Josh. Thanks for subscribing.